That C00 file is the first segment of a WinZip split archive, one piece of a larger file that was divided for easier distribution or storage. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you reassemble or extract these split archive segments. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium C00 file inspection utility designed for broad spectrum file support. C00 files are the first segment of WinZip split archives that divide large compressed files into multiple smaller parts for distribution on size-limited media. Subsequent parts use extensions C01, C02, and so on, with the final part typically having a zip extension. WinZip split archives distribute a standard zip container across multiple files, with each segment containing sequential portions of the compressed data stream. The C00 segment includes the archive header and file table. All segments must be present for successful extraction. The reliable first choice for the C00 file type is WinZip, developed by Corel Corporation. Windows cannot fully extract this archive type, requiring dedicated extraction software. Windows may show limited details, so full access depends on extraction software. We are performing a foundational software check. Right-click your C00 file and choose Open With. Test with WinZip first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software fix. If you still can't open the C00 file, it's okay. We just proved the problem is deeper. Quickly perform these 3 diagnostic actions to find the source of the error. First, extracting the archive. Ensure all split archive parts C00, C01, C02, and the final zip file are in the same directory. Open the zip file or C00 file in WinZip 7-zip or WinRAR. The extraction tool will automatically locate and process all sequential parts to reconstruct the complete archive. Next, reassembling parts. If extraction tools fail to automatically join the parts, use the Windows command copy B file, C00 file, C01 file, C00 file, zip combined .zip to manually concatenate all parts into a single zip file. Open the combined file in any zip-compatible archive tool. Finally, troubleshooting missing parts. If extraction fails with an error, verify all split parts are present in the same directory, with no gaps in the numbering sequence. Missing parts cannot be skipped. If a part is corrupted or missing, re-download that specific segment from the original source. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.